Hello vetted family, it is Joel, and today I'm going to show you how to release your Achilles and why. The Achilles is the most robust tendon in the human body, but they tear a little bit all the time. It's part of being a human and running on them, and as they build up scar tissue, they get replaced with scar tissue which is not elastic, and then you go to stretch it real fast and boom, it blows off. So if you have any knee, hip, or lower back issues, you have Achilles issues. Unless you levitate or teleport, they're tight, and this would be a good idea. So I'm using a battle star here. I'm gonna lift up my hips to get some weight on it, and I'm gonna roll really slowly so I have time for the sensory receptors in my leg to communicate to my brain. I found a very tender area on my Achilles on the medial side. And then I have some options now. I can put my other leg over top, and then I can dorsiflex and plantar flex to release that part of my Achilles. That's called a pin and stretch technique. Let's say I'm a little further along and I don't feel this that much anymore. I can lift up my hips and keep the foot stacked over the area that I want to add pressure to, and I can roll that slowly. Keep this foot totally relaxed while you release the Achilles so you do not do tissue guarding. You should do it for a few minutes. Longer is better. It depends on how tight it is. It depends on how quickly you heal. It depends on what your pain tolerances are, but more would be better. You could focus on either the medial aspect of your Achilles or the lateral. Let the pain be your guide. It will give you accurate information. Thank you for releasing with us, and I will see you next time, because you're going to like and subscribe, and then I'll just pop up all the time.